Okay, so I hope you all can see my screen, right?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Okay. So can you just tell me till where you people had learned last week?
So it was about usage of, for example, say Matra and some
Okay, you're done
words
with
also.
you were working on okay. You're done with this what to say matras, right?
Correct, yeah.
Okay. So today we will do few special rules in matras. Okay. That will be for oo and oo. In Sharda, whenever we are adding a matra of O and O for only few characters, there is a special rule. So, what are those characters that apply special rule? Are first is k.
नेहा जी नमस्कार।
Namaste.
मुझे लगता है कि शायद अगर पार्थ जी करेक्ट करें तो ये मात्राओं के विशेष नियम
हम्म।
रविवार के सेशन में हो चुके हैं शायद।
हाँ,
यदि
मात्रा
मैं
तो हो चुके हैं, लेकिन ये स्पेशल मात्रा है, द वन व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग हियर।
ओके
सो देर आर फ्यू अल्फाबेट्स, कुछ अक्षर है जो स्पेशल रूल फॉलो करते हैं। जैसे कि आप लोग शायद आपको पता है कि ऊ पहले कैसे लिखते थे, ऐसे, एंड ऊ वाज रिटन लाइक दिस, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट यू आर टॉट।
नहीं, इसके बाद जो स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स वाला है वो भी बता दिया गया था।
ओ,
हम
ये वाला भी बता गया था।
हाँ
ऊ एंड ऊ स्पेशल मात्रा इज डन।
हाँ, बेसिकली आप तो दो जर्न की बात करेंगे।
अच्छा।
या
ओके। क, झ, ड, ऑल दी स्पेशल ऊ मात्रा इज डन,
या
राइट?
या
जी जी ऊ की मात्रा हो गई थी। जो विशेष नियम शारदा के हैं मात्राओं को लेकर,
अच्छा।
हम संयुक्त अक्षर पे आ गए थे कि आधे अक्षरों।
ओके ओके, आई गॉट इट। Just bear with me. I'll get a new screen. Okay. I think you were supposed to do the conjuncts. वो भी हो गया है? Special conjuncts, A type conjuncts, category A, B and C.
यस, वो हो गया। इनफैक्ट वहीं पे खत्म किया था। उसके
अच्छा,
थोड़े
वही।
से एग्जांपल्स डिस्कस किए थे, बट उसके
ओके
बाद खत्म
ओके
किया था।
ओके। और स्पेशल रूल फॉर य बताया है सर ने। य, जब आप य लिखते हैं ऐसे, ये वाला भी बताया है। य और ये वाला थ एंड
योर स्क्रीन इज विजिबल बट इट हैज बीन फ्रोजन।
ओ फ्रोजन। ओके।
You can see the new image pop up,
This one,
but
can you see now?
still with
Sharing
that
this.
image pop up.
Just a minute. Okay, can you see now?
It is visible.
Okay. So there was a special rule for year, uh, tho, and this is for the. Was this done? Year, tho, and the special rule.
Yeah, you are talking about the C type, right?
Rule for special characters, how to write.
नहीं नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ था जी।
ये नहीं हुआ. ओके.
ये आप जो कह रहे हैं वो अलग है।
ओके. सो जब हम मात्रा लिखते हैं फॉर य, थो एंड द, it has a special rule again. See, you want to write word artha, not artha, so I'll say arya. Okay. So first we will write a akshar. A we will write. Okay. This I think you all are familiar with by now. This is A. So जब हम रिया लिखते हैं आर्य, जो पहला शब्द हमको सुनाई देता है र. We write r, and at the bottom जब हम य लिखते हैं it will take this shape. So what is the special rule for year? Whenever year is written as a conjunct for any alphabet, at the bottom, when year is the last ending, say in Arya, र पहले लिखते हैं और य last लिखते हैं. So when you're writing in such kind of a scenario, year will take at the bottom place, and जब य खत्म करते हैं end में, ऐसे लिखा जाता है रिया. I'll show you few more example. Uh, say you want to write Maya. So पहले we'll write ma first like this, and when you're writing Maya, so we'll write first year. That will be पहला यानी हम लिखा है. Next, the दूसरा one will go at the bottom, just like this. It is not a C. You have to extend this a little. It's like this. The top line, what you see here, that will get mixed with this alphabet here. So you're seeing here, यहाँ पे शुरू होता है ये दूसरा या की मात्रा at the bottom. Similarly here in Arya also. Okay.
सॉरी बट इसमें आ की मात्रा नहीं आई।
In which one? Maya?
हाँ।
Okay. Oh, A की मात्रा you can, sorry, my bad. You can add it here.
हम्म।
If you have to write Maya, so this A ki matra will stay here only. That will not change. Okay. Not just if you want to write E ki matra also, suppose there is say here into this you have a E matra, suppose for this, that will remain as it is. To write E or E, it will remain as it is. There's no change here. Okay. Uh, just a minute, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Next, we will go with her. This is that's for year. This is for th. So this is th alphabet in Sharada. So what's the conjunct that we follow here? Is this. It will be like this. Okay, this is th. Just give you a few examples. I want to write word artha. Write a, then a. So this is how it's written in Devanagari. If you want to write the same in Sharda, A will remain as it is. Okay. And when you have to write artha, जो पहला शब्द हमको सुनाई देता है र, पहले हम र लिख देंगे, then r is over, then th. थ लास्ट में हमको सुनाई देता है थ, वो हम इसके नीचे ऐड करेंगे with the same shape. Okay. This rule will apply only for your, th and the. The. Okay. And then suppose you want to write ardha. Uh, okay, this will be for the, right? My bad. Just let's sakta. So uh, okay. You're writing sakta. First you write. So if you're writing th, here what happens? Go, any conjunct will be written like this. हाफ लिखा जाता है और थ इसके नीचे it will take the shape सत्थ. And one more example give पंथ प पंथ. So if you write pantha p and when you write anta no is heard first. Okay. जब आप लोग प लिखते हैं इसके नीचे इस पंथ. So I hope these two are clear, right? Th and what was the other one? Yeah. Any doubts, students?
No.
Okay, fine. We'll go with the next one. Next, we will learn how to write the. So in Sharada, the is written like this. And the special rule, if you're writing for the, it will take up this form. The. Write again. So what are the few alphabets? Say you want to write word Shuddha. Okay. Mm. You have Shuddha like this. Mm. You're writing Shuddha. Sh. This will be Shu. And if you're writing the, write first is the, and at the bottom, the, this is the second one. Next, ardha. Then there's one more word, say ardha. A and the, and you have Ramatra here. So if you're writing ardha, first you write a, then if you're writing ardha, you first write r, me complete this more here. Okay. Sorry, a. Then you write r, and the that you're going to write here, it will take up this form, ardha. Okay, so these are the uh, three special rules for ya, ta, and dha. Hmm. Next, we'll see.
Just a second. The these
Yeah,
rules are only applicable when, for example, second page पे we have आधे वाली मात्रा, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Whenever the what to say, the conjunct, this particular conjunct is there, right? If that is, if that belongs to any one of the, this particular, if this conjunct belong either to year or the or the, that time you will have to, if this follows the first alphabet at the bottom, you will have to apply a special rule of year, the, and the. Anywhere you're writing, if it is, if year or year, the or the, if it falls in the second part of the conjunct, and which is the last, that time, suppose you have to this u matra, say earth, say earthu, right, sorry, ardhu, right, okay, if you have to write a u matra to this, sorry, u matra will not come here, right? It will be here. Sorry, u. I don't think there's such word, because in Sanskrit it is designed in such a way that you will not have any such kind of a problem. So yeah. Otherwise, matras, as I told, if it is a matra, it's added here. E is added here. If you're writing ru, I think it will be here only at the bottom. If there's any u matra to this,
Good.
yeah. So this is the thing. Next, we'll proceed with well, okay. We'll go with the r and u. When you have r matra, okay, to this, if you're adding u matra, say kru, okay, that will be, you have, I'm telling about, this is Devanagari, okay. You have kru and you have this kru and kru. Okay. If you're writing crew and crew, how does this take up? Suku is written half, okay, and crew. First, r matra is written like this. To this u matra, when you're writing, you're just adding another line. This is crew. And if you're writing, say, um, ro with u matra, this is u. So the time row will take up this shape. And when you're writing u with this, first write u and slightly lift it up. This is u, crew. When you're writing here, see, will be okay. What I'm showing you now is for this alphabet. Okay, this alphabet. I'll first write cur half because there's a conjunct at the bottom. I'll first write cr, and then to this I'll add u matra. I'll add slightly, bring it up. This is crew. So this rule is applicable for all the alphabets. When r is when r alphabet combines either with u or u, then it will take a shape of this is ru and this is this is for r, this is u, and this is u. Is it clear, students?
Yeah.
When you're writing, say suppose you're writing for alphabet for, not say you're writing fru. You have for, r, and u, fru. I mean to say this is for fru, fru. This is the Devanagari, okay? So if you're writing here in Sharada, you see for when you're writing for fur alphabet, the conjunct should be at this particular point, not here. It should be at here. So when you're writing here, you write fru and fru. And slightly lift it up if you want to write it for u matra. This. Similarly, when you're writing for no, no alphabet, say in ru, you'll write here r matra and then u matra. Okay. Um, then one more thing is If you're writing R, I think this you might, Rakesh, you might have told you. If you're writing, say, if you're writing R with any of the other alphabets, say like I think this will fall in category B, I suppose, like G. You know this, right? How to write this. So row will take up this particular form and go will go here. You don't write row full and then you don't write like this. This falls in category B. If the second alphabet is having 2 point of conjunction, then it will take up. This is wrong. This is not written like this. When if you're writing with only with row will take up this form, and below that you write this go. In the sense, this particular portion, see, this part will vanish. It will not be there. Go will take up from here. On That's only for row. If there is a row conjunct for any alphabet. Okay, I'll show some more examples. Okay, if say you want to write J, how do you write J? I'll first write R, and here I'll write J. This has 3 point conjunct. So this rule is applicable for R followed by any alphabet. Sorry, any in the sense that which has category B and C. So, okay, it should be of category B and C. That is, if the Shiroreka touches the alphabet has uh, touches the Shiroreka twice or thrice. 1, 2, 3. For this example is, you can have G. For this you can have J. So in these cases, when if row is followed, that time row will take up the form such as like this. And below this, you will write the full alphabet of either go here or J. G, Ch. So this is for go. And say you have T or T. So I think that is touching 3 times. That will be here. Row will take up this form here. And you're writing T. This is T because this alphabet at the bottom touches the Shiroreka 1, 2, and 3 times. right? Similarly here, Arna. When you write row with no, what happens that time? Row will be written like this, okay? And then no will merge like this with this row. This is Arna, okay? So to this no, you will be adding a row matra. If you're adding a row matra here, that is when the row matra is on top of this Arna. First you write a row, okay, and no just blend it like that with this Arna. Okay. And then there's one more. When you're writing row, if you're writing student, if you're writing row with say the year and row with verb and row with the. When you're writing row with year, say Arya, it will take up this form. I told you previously, no, like row is Arya is written like, actually it was a mistake. Okay, it's not written like this. There's a special rule for row and year. Rear. Oh, sorry. That is yeah. A rear is written like this. Only with the row, this doesn't allow. Okay, a rear will take up this form. Okay, whatever is there, this is right. Okay, only with row alphabet. Rest all year will follow as it is. If you're writing year and all that, that's all. That's all the same. This is all right. Okay, only with uh, row, only for row and year, if you're writing rear, a rear will take up this particular form.
The first word which we of the day which we started was with Arya. So
Yeah, that's what that one. There was a mistake actually. For r and year, uh, it will take up this form. So if you're writing Arya, so this, say you're writing Arya, That rear, na, what I showed you previously, it's actually not this. This is the right one. This is only with r. When r and y are together, it will take up this form. It is not the also because there is no curve here. It is just one line, C, and then bend it to the right. This is a rear. Okay, this is the actual R here. If you have to write R here, this is the right word. Earlier I had shown it like R with a year, but actually that word I did not get it right. Otherwise, the year matra and all will follow same for other alphabets. If you want to write Gya and Dya, say you want to write Dya, all these are all normal. But this special rule, it's only for a R. Okay. Similarly, when you're writing river, a river, row will take up this form, and here verb, what will happen? It will You will have to connect it here, river. As I told you, this is the reason why it is special is uh see, this verb has is touching only one time, right? So if you have to write that with r, you will have to write it in this way. You will have to connect this verb from bottom here to this top. It should just be a bend like this. You should clearly showcase that it is a verb. Okay, I'll write it again. First I draw a Shiralekha, then from the left side I draw another line, and I'll write first R. Now I need to add a word to this. I'll take it up from the bottom, bend it, and connect it here to the middle, here like this, river. It should not look like pearl also, okay. It should just slightly bend like this. It should be like this. You should be able to clearly see this. When the moment you see that, you should know that it's a river. Similarly, if you're writing for ardha, this is as usual. When you're writing ardha, sorry, it will take up this form. Right, ardha. So you can connect it, or you can just write first r. To this add a dha, ardha. To this again you can add matras like say you want to add dhau like this, or dha, dha like that. Matras will remain as it is. You want to add oo, you can add it here, oo. So those things will remain. The only thing here is the conjunct part is what I'm saying. So these are all the special rules for a r. A r, if it is with ya, va, dha, how it's written. R with no.
Can you show how Earth is written? Because previously when we wrote it, it was a bit different, right?
Arth,
Earth,
ardh.
yeah.
The you mean to say?
The for
Dha, dha. Okay.
uh,
I think ardha. Oh, oh, I had shown it to you like this, right?
Yeah.
Had I shown it like this?
No, not like this. That is why I got
Oh,
confused.
yeah. This the, yeah, ardha, correct. Uh,
Okay,
yeah,
and
so
okay,
this,
the word
huh,
which you just wrote before this one, in what are it?
this, before this,
The last one, last one.
this one,
Nee,
ardha,
the one above
this,
this.
this one, abhav
Yeah.
ardha. Yeah, so it is actually both are right, okay. Uh, dha, ardha. No, actually, this is only right. So yeah, for for the, v and your, if it is with r, no, you follow this. Don't follow this, okay? So this was actually by mistake. I had written it somewhere. Okay, so we'll not follow this. We will follow this one only. This is right.
Okay, sure.
Okay. I was not getting words immediately to show, so I just randomly had written few. So whatever I had previously shown, right? This Artha and Ardho, I had shown it to you like this, right? If I'm not wrong, I think I had shown it to you like this. No, no, sorry, not this. This one.
Yeah.
So we will not follow this. Okay, only with row. Only with row. The rest all dho will follow the same thing. Okay, the dho matra will remain same. Only with ra matra we will not follow that. We will be following this one. This is the right one.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please correct that. It was a mistake. By mistake, I had said that the ra, especially ra matra, when you are writing with yo, va, and the, these are the shapes that it will take up. It will not take up this one. This was by mistake I had got a word for ra and the. Okay, this is the right one. Please don't follow this. This is wrong. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. If you're writing ra with the, ra with va, ra with ya, these are the shapes that it will take up. See, suppose I think Rakesh might have told you screw. If you're writing say three conjuncts like so, plus you have go, and you have, to this you need to add a r matra. So how do you do it? I think these you would have told. So you'll write here, and at the bottom ko you will make it here. To this you'll add a ru matra here. Screw. So ko and ru. I think these part, this conjuncts he has covered, right? That is, if you're writing a conjunct, if the Shirorika touches the alphabet once, how it is written, it will take up which form. That conjunct part is done, right?
In case it is done.
Okay. Urko. Hmm. So I think for today, you just practice these. These special matras with ro is very important actually. I myself also get confused see here. So this you
The
have.
last word which you wrote is which word?
This actually, this I had written it here. This is for category A, conjunct only. This is not required. I just wanted to get a clarification if this was covered or not. I think these are done, right? The conjunct part. Add a conjunct and then you add a matra to this.
Ah,
Say,
yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember it. This is that.
Yeah. So, today's class we have covered all the special matras for r, say with y, v, and the, and how do you write with n, and if you're writing r with uh like for alphabet for which touches the shiroreka twice or thrice, okay. If it is touching only once, then say if you're writing r into this, you want to add an alphabet for I think, yeah, these things will remain as it is, I think. Right, say r or k. You want to write k below this, it will remain as it is. But if you're writing r, because this is touching only once, you see here, if you write k, we all know that this is touching here only once, okay. And if you write fo also, here it is touching only once. Whereas if you want to write alphabet something like for go, and you want to if you're writing this go below r matra, then it will r matra will take up this shape, okay. This will act as a shiroreka for g here. So basically what happens, if it is touching twice, this r disappears. If you're writing it below the alphabet which touches twice or thrice, like say for j, this is touching the shiroreka thrice. So in these kind of scenario, what happens, rho will take up this form here like this. Below this the alphabet is written. So if it is touching only once, you can follow this. This is right. Okay, and then today what else did we cover? Student. So we covered this, right? Rho with go, and other thing that we covered was rho with u matra. If you're writing rho with u and u matra, it will take up this form, crew, crew, fru, and if you're writing for andrew. So these are all the rho special matras we have covered today. I'm just saying, and then we covered and this one here. I will just correct, this is artha. So actually this is right, artha, right? For tho, tho. This tho is right. I think somewhere I made a mistake, right? Tho. Ardha. Okay. Okay. So yeah, if you're writing this Arya here, I'll correct it. This This I told you, this has a special, when you're writing area, it will take up this form here like this. Okay, this will take up area like this. That's a thing. So, any questions today, students? You can practice these today. Okay. Uh, these are all the special matras for. You can try few words. You can just Google and write it. Tomorrow we will try to revise these things, and also we will revise category A, B, and C. We will try few words, small words with these conjuncts. Okay, so I think yeah, we are good with today's class. I'll just share the drive link for you to submit your practice work.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you all.